Today, I am going to talk about one of the most dangerous and widely known terrorist groups in modern history, ISIS, which stands for Islamic State of Iraq and Syria, which is also known as ISIL. ISIS is a militant extremist group that follows a radical version of Islam and has caused major violence and destruction in the Middle East and beyond. ISIS began as part of Al Qaeda in Iraq after the US invasion in 2003, but by 2013 it broke away from Al Qaeda and expanded into Syria during the civil war. In 2014, ISIS declared a caliphate, a so called Islamic government, across large part of Iraq and Syria. The leader at the time, Abu Bakr al Baghdadi, claimed to be the caliph or Islamic ruler of Muslims worldwide. The group gained power quickly through violence, fear, and social media propaganda. ISIS became infamous for its brutal acts, mass executions, beheadings, kidnapping, slavery, and destruction of cultural sites like ancient temples in Palmyra. They also carried out or inspired deadly attacks across the world, including in Paris, London, Sri Lanka, and the US. Their online recruitment was especially dangerous, attracting young people from different countries to join them. By 2019, with the help of international military coalitions, ISIS lost most of its territories in Iraq and Syria. Its leader, al Baghdadi, died during a US raid, but the threat is not completely gone. The group now operates in small sleeper cells and has affiliates in Africa, Afghanistan, and Southeast Asia, still trying to spread fear and instability. Thus, ISIS can become a potential security threat for India in the future, but tackling these problems needs planning and all the measures to eliminate any ideological influences on the Indian masses. The Indian culture, values, and ideas of religious equality in the constitution can be used as the biggest weapon against ISIS. At the same time, India should try to make political, social, and economic solutions in Kashmir and other disturbed areas of the country. Constant monitoring of suspicious social media accounts, intelligence sharing, and capacity building of state and security agencies will be vital in tackling ISIS. As Afghanistan is returning to radical terrorism, future threats from ISIS have become imminent due to proximity. Thus, the world needs to ban these organizations which promote terrorism in any form. Thank you.